Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Rhodes' 7th grade math class. I'd like all of you to open up to your syllabus to page 2 and we're going to go over the rules and guidelines for this year. So the first one would be to be respectful and open-minded. So first of all, be respectful of me and your other classmates. Raise your hand, wait to be called on, and especially during board time and during group work to keep the noise level low. And I also want you all to be open-minded to the challenges I may give you guys during this year. And I want to make sure that none of you shut down because you think math might be too hard. I want to make sure that everyone enjoys this class. I also want to make sure that everyone's open-minded of each other this year and of the different challenges that everyone's facing that may not be challenging to you specifically. The next guideline is to make sure that everyone is on time and prepared for class each day. When the bell rings, I expect you to be in your seats and make sure that you have your assignment from last night out on your desk so that I can check it off. And every day, I expect you to be prepared with a pencil, your notebook, and a calculator. The next guideline is to make sure that you have your assignments in on time. So I will have a weekly assignment board over there, and it will have all the assignments due for the week. And I understand things come up, so if you need an extension, it needs to be approved by me before the class period that the assignment is due. So now I'm going to hand out some index cards. So what I'd like everyone to do is if there's a rule that you'd like this classroom to have, you can write it down and I will consider adding it to, and I will give you guys a finalized copy of the rules and guidelines tomorrow. And if you don't have a rule for me, I would like you all to add a goal that you have for yourself in this class for this year.